My name is Kelly Thomas. I'm the sales manager here at Colorado Hearth and Home Fire Pit Outfitter.
Hi, my name is Rob, and I'm the general manager for Fire Pit Outfitter.
Hi, I'm David. I'm the owner of Fire Pit Outfitter. 19 years ago when we started this business, it was strictly a retail business, Colorado Hearth and Home. We saw that fire pits were just starting to emerge, and we started an e-commerce website called Fire Pit Outfitter. We are, as far as I know, the only store or e-commerce site that will build a custom stone fire pit to your specifications and ship it to you on a pallet, and it will be there forever.
So in other words, you tell us the gas type, natural gas, propane, you tell us whatever base stone you want, capstone you want, whatever height you want, whatever media fill you want that flame to come through, we're going to make that fire pit to match what your dreams are.
Our products are unique compared to the big box stores.
They are built 100% with outdoor rated products. The stone, the border, the rubber systems, all of that is specifically made to handle the elements.
There's a reason why we say in this industry, lifetime warranty. I've been doing this for 12 years now. I've never once replaced a 304 grade stainless burner that this comes with. I've never once replaced any kind of stone, cap, anything like that with these particular units. Because they are so well built, we use professional masons in this industry that mortar and stone these either on site or on pallets to ship to your home.
All of our products are designed to really help you love your life at home, and they're going to be a piece of your home for years to come.
It's fun to put together projects that the customers are very excited about to allow them to enjoy their homes much more.
So from people just starting out with their backyards, people just starting off with a new home, we even do commercial properties, buildings, anywhere where we can incorporate a fire feature and the customer has a need for that, we take care of it.
We have a brick and mortar showroom in Greenwood Village, Colorado. We love Colorado and the beautiful mountains, and that's where I get a lot of my inspiration for the stone and the fire pit designs. If you're shopping online and you're not here in Colorado, whether you're a contractor, homeowner, builder, we want you to feel comfortable and know that we're here to help.
You can either book an online appointment with us or call us anytime during business hours, and we will be more than happy to help answer your questions.
And we have served over 10,000 customers to date from all over the United States.
Imagine sitting around with the family, roasting marshmallows, enjoying this. This is what I want to make happen for you. So thank you very much for choosing FirePitOutfitter.com.